This is how you can use two screens on your phone at the same time. If you want to watch video and at the same time chat on Facebook or WhatsApp on your phone, you can use split screen to do this. With split screen, you can use two apps at the same time. I will show you 3 different ways you can do this. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. On your Android phone, tap the recent button. Tap the recent button on your Android phone and all the recent apps you've worked with will appear just like so. Depending on the manufacturer or the Android version of your phone, you can also swipe up and you'll still get to this point. These are the recent apps opened on my phone. If I want to work on the 2 apps at the same time by using split screen, I will simply tap on top here and select split screen. So the first app I want to use on my split screen is Pinterest. This is Pinterest. To get to this next app, I will simply tap on any of these. Just tap on any of them and you can see the 2 screens are here. The first is Pinterest. The next one is Facebook. I can work on Pinterest just like so, and I can work on Facebook just like this. Okay. If I want to close this, I will simply click in between there and click on the X icon here, and this is closed. This is the first way you can achieve split screen. The next is to swipe down. You can see screen split here. Just swipe down and you can see screen split. If any of these 2 are not working for you, then you need an app. Okay, you need an app to achieve split screen on your phone. Let me quickly show you how you can do that. Head to the store and download split screen shortcut. Install this app, open it, give the necessary permissions for this app to function very well, and use it to split your screen in order to work with 2 apps at the same time. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.